at work to clean those tracks, and look what's happening. Good stuff, huh? Yeah, what up, y'all? Hey, so here it is, 650K XLT. Days are short and we got a lot to do in a short amount of time. So here it is, man. This is all hydraulic oil, I guess. One of these hoses blew somewhere. So anyway, they got a new window put in today, and yeah, I mean, let's just get after it. Let's get the pressure washer fired up and blow off the rest of the mud off of those tracks. And while we're at it, we're going to get rid of all that oil right here on the front of the grill and stuff. So stand by. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch to the little gun, and we're going to do inside these compartments. because the barn hose is a little aggressive for the job, I think. That sticker blew off of something. Yeah, so I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna try, I mean, there's not a whole lot in here, and there's not a whole lot of space either, so we're just gonna real quick, and that's gonna be about it. Okay, so what I need to do now is I got to roll it back the track length so I can get the bottom side of the track. So, but what I need to do first is change batteries, then yeah, well, then we'll go from there. Let me grab the foam cannon real quick. Yeah, so if you're wondering what's in the foam cannon, it is, it's called, I don't know. I'll take a picture of it because it's across the street and it's in a drum over there. I buy it from P&S. It's just an inexpensive, you know, wash soap. You know, it's like an automotive soap. Anyway, it's really inexpensive, and I just use it to kind of give us a little bit of foam, you know. Foam will get you home most of the time. Anyway, yeah, so I just use this inexpensive soap just to, I don't know, you know, just makes it wet, you know. So Okay, we're all done washing. So what's occurring here is, so up underneath here, you see that right there? Those are the air filters for the cabin AC. So anyway, that's why it's doing that. Yeah. Okay, we'll go get the hot water shut off. We'll pull that old girl off and we'll wash down the pad. Then the interior is pretty much all done. One of the guys did the interior a few days ago when it came in. So we just need to maybe touch up the windows and wipe down all the wet stuff on the floor and we'll be done with it. I think we're good enough right here. Yeah, these freaking window guys are getting out of control with leaving a bunch of glass in here. Yeah, trying to clean windows when it's like 90% humidity outside is kind of a pain in the butt. It's how it just keeps clogging up in here. This window and that window, we should be good. Yeah, all that work to clean those tracks and look what's happening. Good stuff, huh? Well, guys, I still got to take care of that window thing real quick. What do you think? I mean, I think it's all right. Better than what it was, yeah. That's the thing. Well, anyway, guys, I appreciate you. Appreciate you watching me. I love you. Take care until the next video, huh? Talk to you later.